Hello everyone, today we're going to have a Trengo tutorial and review, so please watch till the end to properly understand the video is all about. So if you want to create an account on Trengo, you can use our link in the description down below and you may get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first, what is Trengo? Trengo is a customer's engagement communication platform designed to bring together multiple customers' communication channels. For example, email, live chat through WhatsApp, social media, etc., into a unified inbox. So plus offer automation, which is AI or workflows, reporting and analytics, integration, and tools to help teams respond more efficiently. So that is what the Trengo is all about. One inbox, every channel powered by AI agents. So yes, that's it. So as you can see, if you want to create an account, you can just go to their website right here and you can just book a demo to for example a demo to try the Trengo application itself, because you need an application to uh, you know use this use the platform itself. So this is the website only, but I will discuss each of this section right here in order for you to understand more about Trengo. And yeah, let's go about it. And yeah, if you want, you can just book a demo if you want to try the application itself. And if you click on it, you will be redirected to this scheduled 30-minute demo to to use Trengo multi-channel inbox. So you can just use the Trengo multi-channel inbox. You can just input all of your information right here: first name, last name, company size, country code, phone number, industry, and how many support and sales ticket you want to handle per month. And after you input all of this information, you can just schedule your demo. And the spots is limited, so make sure that you schedule early. So after that, after creating an account, you can just log in and you're good to go. So now I'm just going to discuss, because I don't have the application itself. I'm just going to discuss these sections right here. What is the Trengo's all overall function, what it offers, solutions, pricing, etc., etc. I can go through that. So first is the features or products. So as you can see right here on the features, you can see uh, omni-channel inbox, AI agents, integration API, reporting, analytics, and also their mobile application. So yes, you can download Trengo on your mobile too. And as you can see, they will show also their channels. You can contact them to WhatsApp, email, live chat, voice, and also you can see their AI itself. So this is their AI that you can integrate to your application. So yes, that's it. So what is the omni-channel inbox? So the omni-channel inbox, it consolidates message conversation from all sorts of channels. For example, email, social media, messaging apps like WhatsApp, live chat, or widgets into a single workspace. So this is the main or the core feature of Trengo. So agents, team members can see and reply in one place. So that's what it does. Under products, so they have tools to help reduce manual work. They have auto replies, routing. They have workflows, possibly chatbots for AI assist. And they have helpmate, that is one of their AI agent. And yes, that's it. So for responding, so all of this uh features helps to respond or suggest responding. Also they have AI journeys for multi-step workflows. And if you go back, just go back to the products, they also have integrations. So if you go to integration, also you can connect with other tools and platforms. For example, just CRM platforms, productivity tools, etc., etc. And this helps you or the users pull in context or send data to or from other apps. So yes, Trengo also offers integration to other parties, just like Wix, Shopware, Airbnb. Yeah, all of these application right here, they have integrated into their application. And yes, that's it. So for the reporting and analytics, so metrics on a team or agent performance, conversation, response time, and they have all of that. And it is useful for understanding where improvements can be made. So yes, So you can also see your overall reports or analytics of your inbox itself, and you can just look in this and study it to analyze or where to improve and where to what to sustain. And yes, that's it. So for the collaboration and tools, they'll also all of that. They have mobile application, they have collaboration tools, shared inbox, internal comments, notes, assigning, forwarding conversation among team members, roles and permission. So that's what they do. And also they have security compliance features like two-factor authentication, possibly single signed by SSO in higher tiers, advanced security for larger enterprise customers. And for the customizations, while labeling customizing how the tool appears, domain options for help center and custom fields. So yes, they have all of that right here. And that's it for the product. And if you go to the solution, so solution, Trengo position itself for use in these main scenarios: customer support, service, yes, lead capture, conversion, customers re-engagement, omni-channel communication strategy. So they target range from smaller teams, 10 users minimum, basic automation, to larger enterprise level with advanced integration, higher conversation volumes, and dedicated support. So for customer support, it helps managing inbound questions and support tickets across multiple channels. And also they have lead capture and conversion, using chat or messaging widgets to engage prospects. So you can also have a customers re-engagement, and what it does, or marketing. It broadcasts message for example compatible for on compatible channels, following up. And yes, that's it. So as you can see, bring your customers engagement up to speed. So take control of all your engagement, deliver on customers delight from first touch, and build strong relationships every time. So that's it for the solution. And for the pricing, yeah, you can see the pricing Trengo offers. So they have Boost, which is 299 euro per month, and it unify what's the benefits. It is to unify your inbox and automate the basics. Ideal for small teams to centralize communication across channels and implement automations and AI. So 10 users is included, and you can have at least 6,000 conversation per year. So yes, you can book a demo for Boost, and for the popular subscription, they have $500 500 euro per month, and this is where you can get the AI advanced security and integration, and it is suitable for larger teams, of course, offering collaboration with enhanced security, automation, and integration. So you can have 20 users, and also 18,000 conversation per year. And for the custom enterprise, you can also do it. And yes, that's it. That's it for the uh, pricing. And if you scroll down, you can see more detailed comparison between the subscription. So this is where you can get. They have key features: conversation, users, unified inbox, WhatsApp, business API, AI agent, AI journeys, broadcasting, website, widget support, and dedicated success manager. So yeah, you can just you know compare and choose your preferred subscription. And yes, that's it. And for more, you can just see uh more information about Trengo, about us, about them, their help center, their educational resources, Trengo Academy, their API, documentation, customer service, Trengo blog, etc., etc. Right here. And for the AI Hub, this is where you can see more detailed about their AI features. Yes, you can just scroll down and watch the videos if you want their AI highlights. So yeah, it actually helps you to you know know more about Trengo and how to use it. And that's it. So that's actually it. So if you want, you just need to book a demo, and it actually comes up with a price, of course. This application is not free. So if you want, you can just purchase a subscription right here. So the Boost is $350 per month. Pro is $584 per month. So it's quite expensive, but it is very you know helpful to you to handle all of your messages and handle all of your inbox, because it stores all of your inbox into one, and it is actually very helpful. And that's it. So if you want, you can just log in, book a demo. It's up to you, and that's how you can use Trengo. And that's it. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.